Welcome to How to Music Tech. This is part 16 in this series. How to switch patches in one bank in memory mode. Press the play mode foot switch until you have selected memory mode, which is this mode here. In memory mode shows the current bank and the 4 patches within that bank. So this is the current bank and these are the 4 patches. This is the current selected patch. To change patches you can use the corresponding foot switches. You can also select the desired patch using the touch screen. Just touch the one you want to use. To switch banks in memory mode, use the up and down arrows on the left and right of the bank name on the touch screen. Press down to go down a bank, and then press up to go up a bank. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials on this unit and others to come. Plus, if you'd like to support the channel directly, why not consider becoming a member? Thanks again, goodbye, see you in the next one.